For me in my work, one of the most important questions is why? Why are these different behaviors connected? Why does this child look different from another child? So many why questions to try to make sense of. Why does autism happen? We can translate that why from the very beginning to what can we do about it? We're getting there. Studies like Spark will help us get there. One of my favorite parts of my job is working with families. I'm really excited about that option to be able to answer a question for a particular family as to what caused autism for my child. For a long time, the way the field was moving in terms of thinking about gene discovery and autism was we would work with a family, collect a lot of information from each family, and then do a whole bunch of genetic analyses at that point. Well, that's great, but we haven't really been moving the field forward fast enough. What Spark allowed us to do was to say, hey, let's do that on a very big scale. Let's collect that biospecimen first and then do the sequencing. It doesn't require so much family commitment, which is great because families are busy. When families come in for their clinical care, we can get them enrolled in Spark. We can collect that biospecimen. To be able to provide that opportunity for families that previously couldn't participate in a research project is pretty rewarding. And I think Spark sets it up nicely so we can get them engaged in research. For me, the power of why allows us to understand what autism is. When we're able to answer a question for a family, it's pretty darn rewarding, I have to say. And for many individuals with autism, the notion of a cure might take away from that person's sense of self. And certainly that's not what we want to do at all. What we want to do is help everyone sort of achieve the life they want to live. What's most exciting is we're right here on the cusp to move from gene discovery to actually translating that into treatments that are appropriate for a given individual. The notion of precision medicine in autism is not science fiction, it's science, and it's here today.